Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. BTC just broke the daily 618. We still need to close a daily candle above this 618 to become support now at the moment, right? Before it was resistance, now it needs to become support. To confirm that it's not a fake out or a retracement or rejection on the 618, we need to close a candle above to become support. So guys, I want to give you guys a quick update what we can expect for BTC, altcoins, in this case Ethereum and Dogecoin, about what we can expect for today. You know, today we have a very important Fed event. It's called CPI, and they will release some very important economic data, and we as traders can expect a volatile price action. You know, yesterday PPI released and it came way more lower, or the data came out way more less than expected, and that was actually dovish or bullish for BTC and crypto. So what you can see now is dominance keeps dropping. The altcoin season index literally showed us, or now at this moment, that we are entering altcoin season. So guys, get ready. You know, let's do some quick TA. What we can expect today, and again, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and this is actually the model from the group now at the moment. If you're new to trading, join the Crypto Gainers, link is in the description, and it's a free Discord trading server where you can start as a beginner, or if you are a pro, it doesn't matter, it's available, you're more than welcome. So guys, what we can expect now at the moment is, let me go to an empty chart here and let's do a top-down analysis together. If we go to the daily time frame, you can see that we broke out of this 618 on this swing low, right? We broke out. So what we actually have to see now at the moment is, which one is more, this one is more accurate. So what we have to see now at the moment is this daily candle needs to close above this green line, right? It's the 618 Fibonacci retracement, what was acting as resistance. You can see that we rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and now the 5th time we're breaking out, right? So we have to close this daily candle above this 786. You know, there's a small fair value gap, you can see here, to eventually see more upside. You can see that the 786 can act as resistance, so we have some resistance levels coming in here, right? If you drag your Fibonacci up, you can see that this is a resistance line, and if you watch Fibonacci retracement from this swing low, you can see that there's another resistance level coming in, 117.1k. The thing is, you can see it's major resistance, and the thing is, there's a lot of sell side liquidity, but we have to check it day by day, right? What we can see on Ethereum is that Ethereum is a sort of becoming serious bullish now. You know, this is the setup I posted on my X profile, and if you want to stay updated, follow me on X. And you can see that Ethereum is forming a sort of curve, right? I draw this sell side liquidity, so there's a pool of liquidity underneath this 618 here, but you can see that the Ethereum literally becomes bullish now at the moment. And why is that? Because yeah, dominance just keeps dropping now again, right? So again, guys, it's not really go time yet, but you know, focus on BTC and join the Crypto Gainers. Follow our free trading setups with our risk management tool, and you know, let's make some gains the coming time, right? So again, daily candle needs to close above the 618 to remain bullish in this case. We have some sell side liquidity laying above this swing lows and this wicks. Oh, excuse me. So wait for confirmation, wait for a pullback. You can see that there's a fair value gap here between these wicks. So there's a possibility that we fill this gap on the 15-minute time frame to retrace the 786 or the 618 on this swing low. 618 is the top of fair value gap, 786 lays in the middle of it, so you can expect a bounce on the top of this fair value gap. You know, if you want to trade this setup, remember we can expect resistance because of the 786 on the daily time frame. We need to break. You can see that we become bearish now on the 50-minute time frame, so we can expect a pullback. We have CPI today, we don't know the outcome. Be careful with trading. But if you want to trade this bullish setup, then you can go to the link in today's video's description. And if you go to the top link of today's video's description, you can see that if you sign up to BTCC, you will get a 10 USDT airdrop immediately in your account. You can use for leverage trading, right? So a risk-free trade for 10 USDT. If you decide to deposit, you get 10% extra on every deposit up to 10K, right? So guys, you know, quick update on BTC. Expect a pullback, enter on top of fair value gap. And if you're new to trading, join the Crypto Gainers, links are in the description. So guys, I thank you all for watching. You know, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel. And with that said guys, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.